Hi folks, this is an update on Fix a Zipper. I did inform the company that the zippers didn't work, the ones that we originally received, and they kindly sent us replacement zippers. So they're the replacements. They actually said the original ones that we received were faulty. So I have put on one of these zippers, and I'll now show you what happens. Hey presto, it's working. I now have a zipper on my jacket. Fantastic. So a big thank you to the company for sending out replacement zippers, and they do work and they do the job.